Hello, welcome to Fitous Thai Kitchen. Today we're going to make hot man gung or prawn cakes. Right, the ingredient, only a few ingredients. Okay, now I'm going to tell you the amount for the portion of 2 people or 1 people. Right, the prawn. This prawn, 300 grams of prawn. You can use any size, no shell, no tail, right? And black pepper, salt, and this one we use the flour mixed after we mince the prawn. We use tempura flour and a breadcrumb, right? And before we make, we're going to mince the prawn first. No, before mince, we wash the prawn. I show you how to wash the prawn. You use the salt, 2 teaspoons, and then we wash with the water. Okay, come here. Put the water. Okay, wash the prawn. You can get rid of the smell. After wash, you with the drainer, leave it for a few minutes. Make the prawn dry. Okay. Okay, then we put the half teaspoon of sugar, water, teaspoon of salt, and a little bit of black pepper. And that's it for the taste. Don't need so much ingredient. And 2 tablespoons of tempura flour. Okay, now we beat. We beat until prawn become very sticky. About 5 minutes. We take time.
You have to pound it for 5 minutes?
Huh?
You have to pound it for 5 minutes?
Yeah. But this one easy to sticky.
A few moments later.
Okay. After this one sticky, you can keep it in the fridge for 5 minutes, 10 minutes as you can. But now we're going to fry. We put the cooking oil. But the cooking oil, don't put in the pan, don't high the gas. Use the medium oil. Cooking oil start to get hot, and then you make like this, or you can use the spoon. This one you make it round, okay, like this. Put in the breadcrumb like this, okay. We start to fry. Take about 5 minutes to fry. At least they need to become warm.
swell,
Swim
like puffy.
or puffy. Yeah. It's not to get the puffy now, but you have to beat enough until it becomes sticky. This one very good for the appetizer.
You mean appetizer?
Appetizer.
Yeah, you mean the starter.
Yeah,
No,
for
not good for the appetite.
Yeah,
It is also good for the appetite.
Starters
Yeah.
or supper in
Or
the
snack
afternoon.
with a beer. Snack with a beer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or wine. Or when you get moody, you can have this one. Yeah, you're moody gone.
Okay, this one you eat every day then.
Oh no, your cholesterol become very high.
And what type of prawn did you use? Is it tiger prawn
Yes,
or
white prawn, tiger
Yeah.
prawn, anything
you can use anyone? Yeah.
Anyone you can have.
Fresh one, frozen one.
Fresh one, frozen one, yeah, anything. But not dry one. Okay? The prawn, if the bad quality, you get very smelly.
Yeah.
Even people don't have to talk about prawn.
Huh?
Even the people, they're also the same. Don't have to talk about prawn. Even on the quality of the life.
Sorry about that, Tito. Not to hit you. Yeah. You been like you go a tongue.
Now the become shrink a lot.
Yeah, I still see the tummy stick out a bit.
Got a bit, a lot.
Yeah. That's why you wear black, no?
No, because the if bigger have to wear
Slimming. Hey guys, Chef 2 thinks she's fat.
No, not fat because my belly come out.
It's okay.
Not enough exercise.
You got exercise every day.
Most day. You know, some people when they make this one, sometimes they do like a donut. They make a hole at the middle.
Oh no.
But not necessary. Okay, you can see it's cooked by this color. If more than this, become burnt. Yeah. Okay, after this, the crispy man will show you and tell you the feedback.
Thank you.
Yeah, we have this one with the plum sauce, but next video I'm going to show you how to make plum sauce. This one ready one, okay? But it's not taste as good as my one. Believe me.
No, it's fine. Let's try these Tom Mangkong. So let's just root this up. Plum sauce. Incredibly moreish. Less ingredients than the normal fish cakes, but then you get the flavour of the prawn coming through more. So give these a go. If you want, you can jazz them up, put some chilli, put some more flavours, ingredients. I think they're just perfect like this.